The Jeannie Borland Memorial Spiel is a bond spiel in honor of beloved club member Jeannie Borland. It's a spiel between the Bowling Green and Mayfield curling clubs. The spiel goes for one day, with each club providing 4 teams of 4 people. A warm-up game is played, then a break is taken to eat. Afterwards, a final game is played, and the club with the most points wins.
Everybody must throw stones. They'll stone you when you push out of the hack. They'll stone you when your rock is way off track. They'll stone you when you're sliding down the sheet. They'll stone you when you're trying your best to sweep. But I would not feel so all alone. Everybody must throw stones. They'll stone you when you're drawing to the 4-foot. They'll stone you when your rock picks and stays put. Well, they'll stone you and say it's the final end. They'll stone you and then they'll shake your